Hi mga kasibuana! Welcome to Papa's Ron's and Joy's Adventures. So for today's video, I will make some deviled eggs. So I have a dozen of eggs over here. And then vinegar, black pepper, salt, yellow mustard, and then paprika, and a mayonnaise. So I already boiled my eggs, so all I need to do now is cut it in half. So now after separating the egg whites and the egg yolks, I can start putting the mayonnaise. I have a half cup of mayonnaise over here. And then I need 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. 2 teaspoons. And then 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we just sprinkled with black pepper. Then we just mix them together. So now guys, we're gonna start filling this, put this mix of our egg yolks with mayonnaise in here. If you don't have this one, then you can just like scoop using a spoon, or you can use plastic like the Ziploc. But since I have this one, I just use this one. I'm gonna start filling this in. This is a nice if you're having a birthday party or like fiesta in your house. It's just a simple. You don't need a paprika also if you don't want to. That is just an optional. So basically you just need mayonnaise, mustard, yellow mustard, and oh, it's too full. And then I have this. So all I need to do is just fill in the blanks. Until we're done. So now we can sprinkle with paprika. Oh, sure. So we just sprinkle on the top.